Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this simple looking expression that many people fail to solve it. So let's find out. So 5 minus 10 is minus 5 and 10 minus 5 is 5 and minus 5 times 5 is minus 25. People solve it like and their answer is minus 25, which is a wrong answer. When you have given multiple operations like subtraction, then bracket, then in bracket there's a subtraction, then you have to follow certain rule which is known as order of operation and PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So as per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division. Both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So let's first solve the parenthesis but rewrite the left out terms. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. 10 times 5 is 50 and 5 minus 50 is minus 45. So what is the correct answer? Minus 45, not minus 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.